Hey there, I'm Cowboy Cattleman Cowboy Caleb from Sandbaggy. Woo! These bike racks are great for parks, apartment complexes, shopping centers, and more. Made with heavy-duty 13-gauge galvanized steel, these bike racks are tough and extra sturdy. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Made with 3.8mm thick square bottoms and 4 pre-drilled holes each, there's no need in wasting money on a contractor for this job. You can easily install these using our concrete anchor bolts. It's so easy, you can practically do it blindfolded. Ow! Ah, my back! My back! Can someone help me up? My back! This bike rack is made with double protection to last extra long. First, we make this rack from galvanized pipe steel, which is already rust resistant. Then we powder coat the galvanized pipe steel on top for double rust protection. Much more durable than regular steel, these bike racks can last many years to come. Each bike floor stand holds a maximum of 5 bikes each, perfect for any size or style bike. Don't buy from our competitors where the metal's separated at the bottom and increases the chance of theft. Buy from Sandbaggy bike racks. They're connected, which decreases the chance of theft. Hey, that's our bike rack! Sandbaggy is an American Christian-run company trusted by landscapers, homeowners, government agencies, and farmers across this great country. And I'm proud to be an American. God bless the